Cash Giraffe practice mode results do not automatically mean you will receive a real payout, because rewards usually depend on completing eligible offers through the app. By the end, you'll know how practice activities work, whether they count toward rewards, and what to check before spending time on them. The main answer is that practice mode is generally for testing or learning gameplay, not a guaranteed way to earn rewards. To receive rewards through Cash Giraffe, users usually need to complete activities that are connected to available offers inside the app. A practice mode can help you understand how a game works before spending more time on it. It can show you the controls, mechanics, and general gameplay, but it may not track the same way as an activity started through Cash Giraffe. The most important step is checking the offer details before playing. Look for whether the activity requires you to start the game through Cash Giraffe, complete specific goals, or reach certain milestones. If you play a game outside the tracked offer system, your progress may not be connected to your Cash Giraffe account. That means time spent in practice mode may not contribute toward a reward. Another thing to check is whether the offer has tracking requirements. Some rewards depend on actions being recorded correctly, so starting from the correct link and following the instructions matters. If you want to test a game first, practice mode can be useful for deciding whether you actually enjoy it. It can help you avoid spending time on an offer you do not want to complete. Before expecting a payout, confirm that your progress appears inside the Cash Giraffe offer system. A visible reward tracker is usually a better sign that your activity is being recorded. Keep screenshots of your progress if you are completing a longer offer. This gives you a record of what steps you finished if a tracking issue happens later. The key points are: practice mode is mainly for testing gameplay, rewards depend on eligible tracked activities, and checking offer requirements before starting prevents wasted effort. The practical next step is to open the specific Cash Giraffe offer you want to complete. Read the requirements and start only through the tracked offer process. If this helped you understand Cash Giraffe practice mode payouts, subscribe for more app guides, fixes, and reward app explanations.